Do you know what hot work in construction projects is and why it's crucial to follow safety practices? Hot work refers to any task that involves burning, welding, cutting, brazing, soldering, grinding, or other work that generates heat and sparks. These can pose serious fire and explosion risks if not handled with the utmost caution. Firstly, always obtain a hot work permit before starting any hot work operations. This permit system ensures that all potential hazards have been identified and mitigated. Secondly, conduct a thorough inspection of the area where hot work will be performed. This helps to identify flammable materials, hazardous areas, and potential ignition sources. Thirdly, clear the work area of all flammable and combustible materials. If removal is not possible, protect these materials with fire-resistant blankets or shields. Additionally, it's crucial to use fire-resistant barriers to contain sparks and prevent them from coming into contact with combustible materials. Ensure that appropriate fire extinguishers are readily available and accessible in the work area. Moreover, hot work should be performed or supervised only by personnel trained in hot work operations and fire safety. Adequate ventilation must be provided to remove smoke, fumes, and gases produced during hot work. Assign a fire watch during and after hot work operations to monitor for any signs of smoldering or fire. The fire watch should remain in place for at least 30 minutes after the completion of hot work, or longer if specified by local regulations or the hot work permit. Personal protective equipment or PPE is also vital. Workers must wear appropriate PPE such as fire-resistant clothing, gloves, eye protection, and face shields to protect against burns, sparks, and ultraviolet radiation. Before use, inspect all hot work equipment to ensure it is in good working condition and safe to use. Follow safe work practices, such as not working in confined spaces without proper precautions and avoiding hot work near storage tanks that have contained flammable liquids or gases. Communication is key. Inform all affected personnel and departments about hot work operations to ensure awareness and coordination. Establish and communicate emergency response procedures, including evacuation routes and meeting points. Whenever possible, hot work should be conducted in designated areas that are specifically prepared and approved for such operations. Be prepared to suspend hot work operations if safety conditions are compromised or if unexpected hazards arise. By following these safety practices, you can significantly reduce the risks associated with hot work in construction projects, ensuring the safety of workers and preventing property damage due to fires or explosions. Stay safe and keep building.